Hello, Chef here, working with a pot roast today. I thought I'd share some of the recipe with you to make you a better cook. It's very simple. Select a good pot roast that has nice marbling and color. You want to try to get it when it's on sale. And this one here is a 4-pounder. There's a pretty good fat cap on the back. I got to remove some of that. So I've got a knife here. Let's get started. Let's see what's going on here. Well, there's just a little bit too much fat for my liking. Some people will leave this on there, but I'm going to remove it. So anyway, that's looking good. We're ready to go. Now I'm going to show you a couple of steps. You can see some of the things I got here. I've got fresh onions, and I've got the fresh garlic. You got to have that. Carrots for sure. Okay, all these go in a nice pot roast. First, we got to work on the meat. So I'm going to get this meat working and show you some magic here. We're going to do what I call a wet rub. We're starting with some dry ingredients and some moist ingredients as well. Real simple. We're going to work into this pot roast here, and yeah. Here we go. First thing, of course, fresh ground black pepper. Oh yeah, generous amount of black pepper. I would say about a teaspoon we're going to use. Sea salt. Okay. Good amount of sea salt. Yeah. We're going to want to flip it over and repeat. Alrighty. Oh, on a side note, some of my videos are touching on knife safety, so I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, you have full protection, no cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah. Made in America, made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Next step, we're going to use some Cajun Seasonings. I've got about 2 tablespoons here. I'm going to put it on both sides. Oh yeah, this is a mixture of like 25 different spices and herbs. Good stuff. If you need Cajun, check out your sponsor. They got them right there. Next, we're going with some thyme. Oh, it's time for some thyme. Let's put about a teaspoon on each side. Generous amount of thyme is not going to hurt anything. Okay, especially if you got thyme on your hands. Put the thyme on there and let it do its thing. Here we go. Next, we've got brown sugar. I'm going with about a tablespoon of brown sugar, and then we've got Worcestershire sauce. I've got about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Okay, that right there is my dry wet rub. And you can rub it in if you like to. There's no need to. There's one more thing that I didn't put on there. It's going to be essential. Olive oil. Oh yeah, got to have some olive oil. By the way, you see a lot of my videos. Hopefully you've subscribed. Smash that little like button right down there and subscribe to the channel. I use a lot of olive oil. I only buy extra virgin olive oil. All the chefs like olive oil over here. And once you get your olive oil, the kind you like, 100% pure, extra virgin, first press is the best. Buy it in a can and refill these bottles yourself, little bottles. That's the way to do it. You're going to save a ton of money, and you also know what you're eating. Oh my God. Very important to know what you're eating. All right, this is looking good. I do want to get the other side, but I want to let all this penetrate, especially my sugar. So I'm going to very gently flip it over and just give a little dousing like this. Okay, there we go. I'm going to leave this here. Oh, it's looking so good. I will show you how to maintain cutting boards. Let me see. The first one is my standard right here, and that is this awesome Boost Mystery Oil. Love it. Second one is the board cream. Okay, board cream, good stuff. So you notice they're different. The board cream's a little bit thicker. You actually have to squeeze it pretty good to get it out of the package. And the oil is a little thinner. Your sponsor's got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight and it'll be totally dry by morning. So if you watch the videos, you already know I do a ton of cooking and a lot of reviews. This cutting board is 10 years plus old. I use a bench scraper. I clean it off like this when I'm done. And I oil it, I maintain it. Very important you use the right products here. I got the Boost Mystery Oil and I got the Boost Board Cream. Both of these are NSF certified, both of these are edible, they're food safe, they're not gonna hurt you. I like them. Doesn't matter if you've got an old cutting board like this or a new cutting board. Here's a brand new slab right here. This comes in all different dimensions, 24 by 48, 24 by 60, 25 by 39 and a quarter, 121 inches by 30, 36 by 96, as big as you want to go. Contact your sponsor. They give you free shipping. I believe there's no tax most areas. It's the good stuff. And this gets treated the same way. Mystery oil every month. Board cream if you prefer. It's a little bit thicker. With that, I'm going to let you go. All of these items are in stock at your sponsor. Oh, yeah. It's going to be good. Get cooking and have a great day. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Okay, American black walnut is a beautiful species of wood, makes a great cutting board, countertop, bar top, island top, you name it. I really like this wood. It's nice and hard, very beautiful, a chocolatey brown color. Next we have Liptus. Liptus is a farm-raised wood from South America. Very beautiful. I love the color. I love the grain. It's hard, hard, hard stuff. It's just about like maple. Next we have maple. This one here is this is rock maple. It's covered in plastic, but that doesn't matter. You can see the color. It's very, very nice. These are NSF certified. Beautiful, light blonde color. Here we have bamboo. This one's imported. You can see. You get what you pay for. I don't use these. Oh, on a side note, some of my videos are touching on knife safety, so I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, you have full protection, no cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America. Made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Yeah, and that's what you get when you use a quality knife. Look at that. Wow. Learn more about it at your sponsor. Right there. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. By the way, the sponsor's got an exclusive on this awesome new knife made in Japan. Butcher blocks, yeah, butcher blocks made in America. Free shipping. Wow, it's gonna be good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. It's gonna be good.